umnyubhuke enhloko mina ngithi Masongwane
Maria rasa mama ngithi.
Masongwane athi awuhlelo uyalazi. So nathi besingazwanga yabo.
Hambe unjani? Hambe kunjani mama? Hamba ubhadale.
Bayolanda medication ngokuhambe nawo ama-IT.
Yayo ufuna yamna. Ngokuthi nivumelekile ukuthi
Meli hambe ne-medical city. Uzothola kanjani? Mamela, mawuphethe
Mang, never again. After skin side, never again.
for namkhanje phela umsiza no check igazi phela ngeke ngisabuya la ngiyakela. Phela namkhanje ngeke ngisanyathela le clinic yenu. Isilongweni
Le clinic le
medical yenu.
Abangazi isiZulu ngoba siya kakhuluma isiBhunu. Yabona mawungazi English manje Afrikaans khuluma ulwimi lakho bazokuzwa. Ngoba ngizothukana mina ngibengazi ngizothukana. Ngibengazi ukuthi kanti ngiyathukana.
Angimazi ukuthi ufuna
Lamabholpana abhalayo wakho ifayile lakho. Weza nalo sakwenzela ifayile. Wafika nefayile la eclinic sakubhalela phansi. Mawuthe lakho. Elakho kanjani?
Yena my information yami
And then yakabani ifayile? Lihlala kuphi ifayile? Lilala kuphi ifayile? Akuselakho ifayile mama. Kubhalwe ngendaba yakho maka akuselakho. Noma ungaba wala eSouth Africa ifayile aliphumi ngegate. Noma ungahamba esibhedlela sikubhalela incwadi akunafayile liphuma ngegate la. Noma ngaba information yakho ukuthi anifundanga bese nenza kanje. Nifike nilwe ni wrong nilwe. There's no need to fight wrong mama. Umsindo wakho ngekwenze nini? Wena usuwokuqala bonke babajikisa abantu la. Ukuthi wena uyalwa, sonkampani ulufika lapho ufika khona but bonke abantu babajikisa kuqali wena kuphela. So ngoba uwe, ucela ukuthi uzonakiwa. Nakiwa ke. Abunga bathu ayazisinjani.
mina le clinical sangikhalela abantwana bami.
Yabafana kwaqala. Ngoba kunjani iline
Noma nifala bazokhala phela.
Yeah, sonke siyakhala ngashona abazali nami ngakhala kanzima kabi kabi.
nami ngakhala.
Ngicela umsize la police.
manje bafana bababiza umuntu ophethe insumpa.
Ningaqhubeka umsize nizofa phela hayi ukuthi niyalo anilwisi
Ngikele toilet.
angeke nizolwisa umuntu le.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgososa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nanga sespam qosha laphana eclinic address at clinic lapha eThokoza, and she's saying ukuthi uyacela ukuthi angene ukugcina because uyagula utofa ukhalela abantu abakhe. She was even saying ukuthi yena une file lakhe la clinic, and they were saying ukuthi le file la clinic akusilo lakho nawe walithola la leli file bafike bakubhalela le file for the first time. It doesn't mean ukuthi leli file libelonga kuwe. At first bekavakala ngathi uyalwa lo make bekavakala ngathi uyalwa ufuna ngena ngengane, and they were saying qho nje ngeke uzungene lana wena hambe unjani clinic batokusita khona. And she was saying ukuthi akanayo imali and lana une file yena le file la clinic lakhe, and they were saying ukuthi qho go back to your country or go to unjani clinic. Brother audacity labanayo abantu bokuqhamuka, they think ukuthi vele it's a must ukuthi ethole isito eclinic or esibhedlela kuma public just because bayikaningi basitakala kaningi. Now they think ukuthi vele ngiloku lekumele kwendeke kufanele ukuthi basitakale, and it's not even like that bra. It's not even like that. Ubone ukuthi mabafika lapha nabalwa kangakanani abangqingi vele bababandula ukuthi bama South Africans. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'm signing out, so goodbye.